My mother was the first bilingual social worker in Lancaster. I kind of followed her footsteps. I've always been grateful to this country for giving immigrants like me a chance. We're an organization that invests in the community, in facilities, and in equipment, and in programs that are going to get people out of poverty. We work for the people who need us the most. If SACA never loses that perspective, it will do great things. I want SACA to remain doing its transformational work and do a better job than I did. One of our poets, José Martí, he wrote the poetry that became Guantanamera. Con los pobres de la tierra, quiero yo mi suerte echar. With the poor people of this earth, I want to share my fate.